Are you working harder, not smarter? Stop letting your business run you. Automate your bookings, manage your clients, and reclaim your time. The future of plumbing is here. Choose smart. Choose freedom. Do you run your business, or is your business running you down? Fixing leaks is what you do best. But are you leaking potential clients? Don't let overflowing schedules drain your profits. Let us handle the calls, bookings, and scheduling. Focus on the pipes. We'll handle the business. Are you stuck doing plumbing the old school way? No online presence, invisible to clients? Or are you smarter, using technology to put your business on the map?
Ever wonder how plumbers stay ahead? This isn't your grandpa's wrench. AI chatbots handle calls, schedule appointments, and manage every lead. No missed calls, no lost clients, just seamless efficiency. The future of plumbing is here, and it's smart.